541 Vantage. Really appears to be a well manicured yard towards the end of a cul-de-sac. As you can see, we have a gate here. Might want to remove these solar screens. The sun doesn't even hit the side of the house. This is the north side, and as you can see, the sun's on the other side, on the back side of the house. Screen door, Jenny loves that. Tile at the entry. This is a small pet door, so I'm not sure if there's a pet here. Okay. Sometimes people put pets in the garage, and I don't want to be surprised. So, interesting transition from wood or laminate to tile. Wallpaper. Replace those with 2.5-inch faux wood. Ceramic appears to be in pretty good condition, so Jenny's call on whether we keep it or not. Lots of wallpaper to be removed. Really beautiful, beautiful landscaping. I'm just not sure where the pets are, so I'm just being very cautious. Found it. Hi, cat. Oh, okay. Wallpaper. Fix these door panels. Probably a total repaint. Definitely a Jenny call. Figure out what's going on in the cracks there. Hi, cat. And here, what's that? Not quite sure. Probably repaint. I don't know, sometimes Jenny says to leave things like that, so we'll see. The master. Somewhere here. Totally normal when you have someone living in a property. So nothing unusual here. And a good closet. Okay. That's the property.